Now I'm going to install the hydraulic pump, which is held by 3 bolts. Now I looked at the Bentley manual. It turns out that the hydraulic pump removal and installation instructions are completely wrong. They're for a different engine. Perhaps the 2-valve engine. So this assembly looks nothing like the one in the Bentley. But I think I know what to do. I'll have to guess at the torques. But at this point I've become fairly adept at guessing what the torque should be. So I don't think this is going to be too much of a problem. So basically there is one long bolt that goes through here and secures it to the engine block, and then there's a short bolt here, two bolts which are identical, so I'm going to just start them and then tighten them later to 25 Newton meters. That appears to be the good torque for all of these largish bolts. If I can only get it started, of course. I'll have to get my 3/8 inch X bits.